Hi everyone, meet again with the ArtCyon channel. And this time we will try to draw a game character that is viral now, namely Black Myth Wukong. Now we will try to start by making a catfish. This new game from China has just been released and has broken the record from topping the most played game on Steam with more than 1 million players. Use a good mood to produce good cat drawing. If you feel stressed, you need to take a break and leave the drawing activity. So now we start to color it, and we can start from the edge. Then we start to spread around the edge. Then form the nostril and the line of the mouth below the nose. Next we enter the stage for coloring the skin. Sketching and coloring does take a lot of time. We have to be extra patient to deal with it. Oh yes, don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you can enjoy my other drawing work. I don't know how many days I made this Black Myth Wukong image project. I did it casually while watching a film. Now we will continue with the project that has been waiting. It turns out that we have reached the stage of hair coloring. Shading your hair is not as easy as coloring the face and so on. It needs to be touched up step by step. Now we start coloring the ears and neck. In drawing this time, I mostly use pencil coloring with various brown color. Even though I haven't played this Black Myth Wukong game, I feel from this picture it is clear that this game is very interesting. Well, now the hair is starting to form. And now we are starting to enter the coloring stage of the armor. This is what it looks like. Interesting, isn't it? This stage is also requires more patience because Wukong's armor has many motifs and more parts that need to be colored in detail compared to his face and hair. I apologize because several parts of the Black Myth Wukong coloring process video contain technical errors that are cut off and can only show the part that has been finished colored. Okay, that is for now for my video. See you in the next video. Goodbye and thank you.